Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Nissan Juke radio. First, gather your tools. You will need plastic trim removal tools to prevent damage and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle's ignition is off and the parking brake is set for safety. It is also a good idea to place a soft cloth over your dashboard to protect surfaces from any accidental scratches during the removal process. Next, we begin by carefully prying off the lower control panel, typically found around the climate controls. Use your plastic trim tool to avoid damaging the dash. Once that is loose, look for any visible Phillips head screws that secure the main fascia panel. After removing these, gently detach the larger panel that surrounds the radio and air vents, being mindful of the clips holding it in place. There may be an airbag connection to be cautious of. With the trim panels removed, you will now see the radio unit itself. It is typically secured by 4 Phillips head screws. Carefully unscrew these 4 fasteners. Once the screws are out, gently pull the radio unit forward from the dashboard. This will give you enough room to reach behind it. Now, disconnect all the electrical wiring harnesses and the antenna cable from the back of the radio unit. Before installing a new or old radio, take a moment to inspect all connections for any damage. When ready, connect all the wiring harnesses and the antenna cable to the back of your radio unit. Carefully slide the radio back into its housing and secure it with the 4 Phillips head screws. Finally, reattach all the trim panels in the reverse order of removal, ensuring all clips snap securely into place for a clean finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.